Good evening. This is a video I'm doing on a cold steel nightshade punch dagger. Typical punch daggers are meant for punching. Okay, as you can tell, there's very limited use. You can slice with them any way you have to. So if you have it coming down and slice, you can do so, or punch. This particular one is a cold steel. It's in the nightshade series. Okay. You can tell it is not really a real sharp knife, so cutting you've done more of an edge cut, a dull edge, so I won't make a very nice clean cut upon your opponent. If you notice here, the tip has got this extra reinforcement in here. It makes it stronger when it punches in. This particular blade, these night series shaded knives are a fiberglass resin mix. Makes them stronger in previous weather. You can leave them outside and they won't be damaged. Now if you notice the shape of the blade here, they've included a fuller groove there in the middle. Some people call it a blood groove, but it's for nothing else other than making the blade stronger. It's not letting more blood escape like some people say. Okay, it has more of an I-beam effect when you put in that fuller in here on a blade, because it'll make your blade more like an I-beam. It actually puts all that strength out on the edges. That way it's like a reinforcement. And you'll notice how the handle is shaped here. See, here's your cutting edges here. You have your fuller and then your reinforced tip for punching. This is still a fairly sharp object. It will puncture, it will cut if you do it right. But most punch daggers are meant to be held in the hand, much like this one is being held. Okay? So you can either cut with it. If you get enough speed behind it, it'll cut no matter how dull it is. And bayonets are perfect examples of those. You know, butter knives, see people cut those. So the dull edge will cut. If you don't think they won't, you're wrong. Okay, so in this case, I'd come down with it here, or to the sides, up. Doesn't matter, just as long as you go side to side with the cut, or you punch with it. Okay, this is a weapon that is primarily, its just purpose is aggressiveness. Okay. This is just a purely aggressive, non-passive weapon. Okay, this is meant for one purpose only, and which is punching people with it. This is a combat blade. This is not something you use to skin an animal. It's not something you use to cut your dinner or your steak with. This is a flat-out, single-function, hand-to-hand combat. Stick them and make them bleed weapon, and that's all it's for. That's what its purpose is for. Okay, wear them in your boot, wear them on your belt, wear them wherever. Easy to conceal. Just remember, no matter what you do, if you use one of these as it's intended, if you do not do so in the form of the legal law, you will be held accountable by your local authorities. So make sure you can even have one. So, but that's just a quick review on the cold steel nightshade punch dagger. It's a nice little fun little toy. Like I said, pray you never have to use one. Have a nice day. God bless.